Spring-Summer 2026 returned to the Louvre not as a museum, but as a home. Nicolas Ghesquière has always treated the palace as a kind of creative playground, each season unlocking a new chamber of its history. In 2018, he staged a runway in the Pavillon de l'Horloge, once a medieval moat. In 2022, he filled the Passage Richelieu with antique chandeliers and Empress-worthy panniers. But this season he chose something more intimate, the summer apartments of Anne d'Autriche, Queen of France. And what apartments they were, frescoed ceilings soaring overhead, marble floors glowing under the Paris sun, arched windows framing the afternoon light. Scenographer Marie-Anne Deauville furnished the rooms with pieces Queen Anne might have recognized, alongside Art Deco seats by Michel Dufay. It felt less like a fashion show and more like being welcomed into someone's private salon, the most comfortable runway setting in recent memory. Comfort, or rather the comforts of home, was Ghesquière's starting point. The Louvre had just restored the gallery, he explained. Soon the statues would return and the space would be frozen in time. But for this brief moment he could inhabit it, rearrange it, live in it. It's like a trip around your apartment, he said. A praise of intimacy, dressing for yourself first. And yet this was not loungewear, not even close. The opening look, a gauzy piped camisole, pants and robe, carried a faint historical whisper but nothing literal. A berry pink silk dress trimmed in shearling nodded to softness, not costume. Ghesquière wasn't quoting Anne d'Autriche's lace ruffs or corsets, he was lifting from the interiors themselves. Painted wallpaper prints appeared on slips. Wooden discs traced the seams of shorts and trousers like architectural joinery. Clothing as decor, decor as clothing. Then came the craftsmanship, the kind that makes you lean in. A pale pink crystal-embellished vest that looked like fur but was actually brushed silk. A beaded fringe top and pants that shimmered like an Impressionist landscape. Pieces that should have felt heavy but instead floated, soft and inviting, as if designed to be touched. The soundtrack deepened the mood, Cate Blanchett reciting the lyrics to Talking Heads. This must be the place over original music by Tanguy Stable. A song about home, belonging and the quiet joy of being yourself. It was the perfect thesis. Because that's what this collection was about, the shedding of facades, the pleasure of dressing without performance, needle-pointed flats, slouchy socks, silhouettes that felt lived in, not staged. A wardrobe for the version of yourself that exists when no one is watching. Louis Vuitton Spring-Summer 2026 is Ghesquière at his most intimate, a designer inviting us into a private world of softness, eccentricity and quiet luxury. A reminder that home is not a place but a feeling, and this season he let us live in it.